Fly afternoon and welcome to Photography by Dash. And today I'm shooting with the lovely Yosmi and we're working on 3 tips on how to pose better for pictures. Tune in.
Alright, so me personally, I like to keep it simple. I'll start off with some simple tips, some simple instructions, and then I like to build around that. So this first tip is going to be simply looking away from the camera. A lot of people get nervous looking directly at the camera, so when you look away from the camera, that might give your photo a more natural and at ease kind of feeling. Okay, my second tip will be turning your nose away from the camera. Now when you turn your nose away from the camera, that can give your image some depth and separation, which can also add some interest to your photo. My third and final tip will be doing something different with each side of your body. For example, separating your arms from your body, that'll help you look slimmer on camera. Arching your lower back, that'll help bring out your shoulders. So in conclusion, these are just 3 simple things that I would start off the shoot with, depending on the vibe, and I will continue to build and build and build around these poses. For example, to convey emotion, I'll probably have the model tilt the head up a bit, open the mouth and pout the bottom lip. Things in that nature, I would inflict on the shoot. Just continue to build around these poses until I get the perfect shot.
Alright, so those were my 3 tips on how to pose better for pictures. I hope they helped. I hope you enjoyed. Till the next video. Should we do an outro?
Are you ready? And what's the
I can't do it either, so it's all good. You was recording? Good. Genius. Genius.